For this video, we're going to create a query that returns our top 100 donors across both people and companies' foundations. To get started, let's head over to the Query tool. Once there, select New Query, give it a name, share it if you'd like, select a folder if you'd like. When it comes to our type, we're going to use configurable joins. Our category, we're going to switch over to related. And our base, we're going to use the donor base for this query. Once you're all set, click Save. Once you're in your query, let's add some exports. The donor base is a special base. It returns one row per person and one row per dataset record where giving is enabled, typically companies and foundations. This is why the donor base does not have to start with a whole lot of exports and filters for us. But let's go ahead and grab the key, ID, and a name for now. With some basic exports added, let's now add an export for the sum of lifetime giving for the record. To get started, let's add a subquery export. Give it a name. Select the output to be aggregate. And since we want to do a sum, let's select the aggregate of sum. Let's give it a format mask of C for currency to make it look pretty. And let's go join out to gifts. The donor base has a direct join over to the gifts table. The gifts table is shared between both companies, foundations, and person records. With that join, let's go ahead and add the export for the gift amount so we have something to sum up. Now let's define which gifts we want to sum up. To do this, let's add some filters. Let's make sure our gift status category is received, that our gift is not reversed, that our online payment status is payment received or not an online payment. And when it comes to if you want to factor in hard credits or soft credits, you can filter that out as well. In this case, we're going to filter for hard credits. With our filters added, let's go ahead and click Save. With our sum of giving added, let's now go ahead and create our sort. Click in the sort section, and we'll be able to utilize that export we created before up here. Select the sum of giving. Hit Continue. With the sort export added, double-click on it to edit it. Here, change the sort order to descending, so we start with the largest numbers and work our way down. You will also need to remove the format mask. Slate needs the raw numbers in order to do a proper sort. When you're ready, click Save. With our exports added and our sort added, let's now set our query up to only return the top 100 rows. To do this, click on our Edit Properties. In the Row Limit section, put in the number, in this case 100, and click Save. With our query all set, let's run it and see our results. As you can see, we're starting with our top donors, working our way down, and we have our companies mixed in with our people. That's how you do it. Thank you for watching.